Many construction industrial practitioners often encounter the issue of custom site relocation procedures for excavators. The truck is equipped with the reliably performing WD615.62 engine, paired with a 10-speed manual transmission. The chassis delivers outstanding terrain traversability. Hydraulically buffered foldable loading racks are mounted on the vehicle rear. 4 sets of lashing anchor points are reserved on both sides of the bed. A front-mounted toy box at the cab safely stores switches, strips, and assorted maintenance accessories. If you have procurement plans for construction machinery transport vehicles, feel free to contact us at any time.